This is like shipped out of Japan, bro. Well, like that's the only way, but yeah. Looks fresh as too. That's exactly what I would do. Just get the driver's seat, bro. I was trying to sell my stock seats and then just get one bucket seat. Cause right now I have 350 seats in there. That's clean, bro. I don't know about those stretch tires in the back, but everything else, shit. The boy Luis with the drift rocket. My boy Love, Highway 9. Oh, okay. That's insane. But we don't use the e-brake. Angle kit. Hot boys. Damn. My boy been going in at 408 Mando. Z1 exhaust, street aero kit. ESR. Okay. I like it though. Got like wine red.
This thing is fully detailed.
Oh yeah, they touched out everything. I think that's the only thing I need left. I'm gonna remove my banner, go black windshield. The oil cooler down there. I mean, with the Z, you pretty much need with these. Holy bruh, that's a clean idea. Well, I don't know about the suction cup. I was talking about the wrap on the.
Oh shit!
bro was looking at the suction cup. They probably dripped this. They got some ooh on there. Call this number. It's a hotline. What do you got down there? Probably the straight pipe. Yep. Yo, 350Z is the poor man's Porsche, but damn, you have to take it to this level.
Sure.
Shit, the aerodynamics. Got the aero kit. Hulk Racing, what are these, 17s possibly? Got a Doge for some extra clout points. Crazy bucket seats, black and red. Oh, okay. Aero kit. He tracking this.
You got the sticker too.
That's a sticker. What the? Damn, bro. Y'all got the kicks today. You got the matching kicks.
No, I didn't even notice, bro. He got the Alright, boy. We got
It's a Bumbo job, bro.
Where you at, Bumbo?
Where you at, Bumbo?
For real, where you at, bro? I have yet to meet him.
He said he working, bro. It's the weekend.
Nah, that fool's lying. It's not working. I'm probably getting high right now. Yeah, you hear that, Bumbo?
For real.
You hear that?
Costco coming in clutch.
Hey.
Alright.
That gold membership from Costco.
What?
Hey, should I just have Yes, sir.
Awesome. Alright. What the? He got a whole body kit on there or what?
It's my G35 with like.
Oh shit. This thing has gone through some shit. How's the stage 2 clutch? During burnouts yet?
Nah, I don't.
No, but how's it? Hard? Hey, it drives better, huh?
Yeah. It's better.
You could probably beat me now.
Bro, you never bet me.
What? shopping cart, bro.
You're always ready, bro.
Oh, you got the groceries? And you want bags? What you got there, bro? What, you got that DoorDash or what? Where the hell did this come from? Alright, I'm out here with my boy Jose.
Hey, what up? Hello?
And we in the new car, bruh. So we'll get some rollers once we're done here. I don't know what the going on. I don't need no gimbal. I got Jose, bro. Let's go. Take me to the cool cars. Let's see it. Is that a hood? Okay. Oh. There's gonna be some wet footage right here. Am I heavy or what? I'm not heavy. We out here, bro. Damn, who's this? G's Click? Okay. I love this guy. I follow you on Instagram, bro. Probably. What's up, bro? I'm mobbing, bro.
That's the vibe right there.
That's race. Let me know. Oh snap! Woo! What is this? EcoBoost or what? Bro, where are you taking me, bro? This ain't no car meet. The car meet's all the way back there. What the? I'm about to get hit by Silicon Valley power, bro. This looks sick. Alright, Jose, take me where the baddie's at. What the?
Where?
I don't know. That duckbill. Alright, let's go. Are we planning to be in? Go straight, go straight. Alright, you have to wait for traffic though. When you get over.
That's the best way here.
Yeah? I love it too, man. Okay, looks like that. Looks like Andrew real quick. It's a 4-banger. Keep going, keep going. Hey, bro, don't let me get hit by this guy over here. Hey, bro, I have barely no control with this. Get those quick rollers. Whole lot of tank shit. Yeah. Woo! They got his whole thing going. That's how it's dope. Got black sheep.
Hey, still it?
Oh, okay. Prime parking spots. Oh, we didn't hit the stop. Keep going. Pushing P.
Ready?
Alright, let's see it. It. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, yeah, that was not cool. Let's not do that again. Hey, watch out, bro. We can't hit this car. What's up?
It's wrong.
Dude, can we... Jose, he said, can we drift it?
I know.
Can we?
This car.
Oh, 3 wheels? 3 wheels? Okay. Keep it going. Ooh. Oh, you got the whole rig. Okay. All I got is a Jose, bro. This guy. Oh, what? You got the spoons in there? That's lit, bro.
Movie.
Movie. You get that at, bro? Put a link, bro. And that'll pretty much include it. Shit. I love your build, bro. Let's go back with the homies. And let's ditch this car somewhere too. I just park it right there. Let's give it a parking spot. Alright, pull it backwards, yeah? There we go. There we go. Sorry, parking.
What's going on?
Parking. A little bit more to the left.
Parking? Yeah, sir.
Alright. I put the e-brake. Oh. Hurts, but good shit, bro. I appreciate it. I was some good rollers. I think we'll learn a lot from that. He's like, whatever. Shit, the roller mobile, bro. Get it anywhere. Local Walmart. Alright, time to move so we can take this photo. Got the G's Click homies out here repping today. Where the meat goes, and then we're gonna get some rollers. On today's episode, we got special guest Lil Timmy's grandpa getting some free footage of some rollers. It is copyrighted, so you will have to pay me for the footage.